This video, I'm going to show you how to log a cell in Excel. Here we have two columns. The first column contains four numbers, and the second column contains four numbers. And let's say we want to add these two numbers. Then what we do, you write equal, and then click this number, and then plus on this number. So this would be 3.2, 1.1 plus 2.1 is 3.2. So now if we drag this, then we'll be adding these two numbers, these two numbers, these two numbers. So what if you want to add 2.1, add 2.1 to all these numbers? Then we can log this 2.1. And that is what I'm going to show you. So you write equal and then click 1.1 and then plus, click this number. But now here, in order to log that, put $ in front of E and in front of 4 and then click hit enter, you get 3.2. So now when you drag this, then you will get different values from these values. Can you see here 5.2, but here it is 4.2. So that means 1.1 plus 2.1 is 3.2, 2.1, 2.1 is 4.2, 2.5 and 2.1 is 4.6, and 3.5 plus 2.1 is 5.6. Thank you for watching my video.